A 7 News Health Alert now. New research suggesting that some people diagnosed with COVID-19 will later develop mental health problems. But as our Henry Coburn reports tonight, Upstate mental health experts say the pandemic is taking a toll on a lot of people, regardless of whether they've had the virus or not.
Today I've spoken to several mental health experts across the Upstate who tell me that they're seeing an unusually high number of new cases coming in, both patients who have had COVID-19 and also those who have not. The research published earlier this month found that about 1 out of every 5 people who survive COVID-19 go on to develop mental disorders. Roger Williams directs the Spartanburg Area Mental Health Center. He says his agency's findings have been consistent with the research.
Individuals who had COVID and recovered from COVID, and yet what they saw was that 20%, which is about twice the norm for sort of the general public. About 10% of individuals over any particular period of time will experience some type of mental illness.
He says disorders like depression, anxiety, and insomnia are on the rise. Plus, he says, some who recover have ongoing cognitive struggles.
They feel like they're kind of walking through a fog, sometimes for quite some period of time after they've had COVID itself.
However, he and other mental health specialists say the pandemic is affecting many people's mental health, even if they have not had the virus. In fact, therapists like JACKLYN Murphy tell us the pandemic is hurting many relationships, family lives, and individuals' mental states.
Not only have we seen people that have been affected both personally and in their families with COVID, but we've seen just people in general dealing with a pandemic, dealing with different work circumstances, their children's school circumstances, and life being very uncertain.
She says recently the number of people seeking mental help has risen so much that some practices have wait times several months long. She says that she predicts even more new patients in the coming months, creating a possible shortage of appointment slots. If you feel like you need help, there are options available. Mental health experts tell me that even though they are busier than normal right now, they will be flexible with you in getting you the help that you need. In Spartanburg, Henry Coburn, 7 News.
We have an entire page of resources for you on our website. Just head to WSPA.com, go to the search engine and type Helpline.